Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. So don't go away.
Beachy Beach.
Hey there, it's Britt, and I can't wait to tell you about this gorgeous home we have listed over in Hidden Pines off the east end of the beach. I'm actually sitting on a bench on the neighborhood walking path. This is an area that is full of lots of action in the morning as families stroll with their bikes and skateboards off to Petronas Elementary School. This home on Brady Way is super close to the neighborhood walking path, one of the many reasons why I love this community. And did you know they also have a light show coordinated to music on Halloween and Christmas in this neighborhood? It's just one of the many reasons why I love living over here. So back to this listing. Over on Brady Way, you are going to love this 4-bedroom, 3-bath. You're going to love the way they've taken care of this home meticulously. Great outdoor space, manicured lawn, sprinkler system. You have plenty of outdoor space, a gorgeous patio with a pergola. You have a big outdoor shed for all your storage, and it's wired and everything, and got a little AC unit in there as well. But my most favorite thing about this house, it has got a separate mother-in-law suite. So one of those bedrooms is a full bedroom suite with a separate side entrance, a little ramp going in, and a full-on handicap accessible walk-in zero-entry shower. So if you are looking for a beautiful home off in Hidden Pines, just a couple miles from the beaches, under $400,000, give us a call. We'd love to show it to you.
And don't forget, if you'd like more information about this, the listing description is actually below. You can click, look through all of the pictures, and don't forget to follow us on The Beach Show for future homes.